Okay, we want to talk about directed number today. So for example, if you look at this number 1, we have -8 minus 6. This one the analogy you can use there is like you owe 8 naira, you also owe 6 naira. So how much are you owing together? That is, you are owing 14 naira. So if you have -8 minus 6, it means -14. And don't forget that -8 minus 6 is same thing as, it's like you are adding the debt of 8 and debt of 6 together. So it will be debt of how much? 14. So you call it -14. -14. Number 2, 10 minus 14. This 10 here means plus 10 minus 14. It's same thing as when you first talk about the debt. Same thing as -14 plus 10. That is, you owe 14, you have 10. Or you say, I have 10, I owe 14. You can see what you have is not enough to pay what you are owing. So you will still be owing 4. That is -4. That means in that case, what you do is to just take away, 10 from 14, but the result will still be what? The result will still be -4. That is -4. Then number 3, you owe 7, you have 5. You can see that what you owe is still more than what you have here. So if you want to talk about this, you will say 5 minus 7. You will still have -2 left. So the result is -2. Then if you have 15 and you are subtracting 6, you have 15 and you owe 6. So that means what you have now, if you look at it, is more than what you are owing. So you will still have 9 left with you, which is your own. You owe 6, you have 15. That means it will be +9, that is +9. But +9 is the same thing as ordinary 9. That means we have invisible plus sign there. For number 5, we have -6 plus 9. You owe 6, but you have 9. Then what you have can pay the debt and you still have 3 left with you. That is +3. That is 3. This one, 0. 0 is like you have nothing or you owe nothing. Then here you owe 5. When you don't have anything to pay the 5 you owe, that means that 5 is still there. That is still -5. Or you just say, I owe 5, I have nothing. So it's still the same thing as that debt of 5, -5. This one, I owe 7 and I have 7. It is what I have that I owe. That means by the time I pay, I will have nothing left. No debt again, and I don't have anything left with me. The same thing as here, you can interchange it and say, I have 7, I owe 7. The same thing as I owe 7, I have 7. So the result is 0. It is important for us to know that 0 is neither a negative value or a positive value. 0 is just 0. It's a neutral number. So the last one here, we have 8 plus 3. Both of them, I have 8, I also have 3. I'm not owing anything. So altogether, I have +11. So we write it as 11. We move on to the algebraic part of this directed number. So how do we apply this to algebra? For example, if you have 4x minus 6x, it's same thing as first calling the one you owe, which is -6x. Same thing as -6x plus 4x. So if I owe 6x and I have 4x, the one I have cannot pay the one I owe. I will still have balance of 2x to pay as debt. So that one we call it -2x. Here, -4y minus 4y, both of them are debts. So you add the two debts together and it will give you -8y. Number 3, 9mn minus 5mn. That is, I have 9 of mn and I'm owing 5 of mn. So what I have is more than what I owe. I will still have 4 of that left with me. That is a 4 mn. Number 4, I have 8p, and here I have 3. It's not 3p. So the two of them, there's no way you can add them. They are not like terms. So it will still remain. The result will still be equals to 8p plus 3. Why? They are not like terms. Not like terms. So you cannot simplify them. Not like terms. That's how that will remain. It's still the same. Then we have 5x minus 2y. 5x minus 2y, just like what we have under number 4, it's still the same. It will still be 5x minus 2y. That's how it will still remain. Why? Because the two letters are not the same. If the two letters are not the same, you cannot add them, neither can you subtract them. And again, if the letters are even the same, but the power of the letter are not the same, you can still not do anything about it. For you to add two letters, they must be of the same letters, and they must also be of the same power, the same letter and the same power. So like here now, this one we say is still 5x minus 2y. Why? Because they are not like terms, not like terms. So it can be simplified further than that. So for this number 6, if you look at what we have there, we have 6x squared minus 2x squared. Yes, I have 6 of x squared and I'm owing 2 of x squared. Is the kind I have that I am also owing. So it's like I have 6 goats and I'm owing someone 2 goats of equal sizes. So if I pay the person, the 2 I'm owing him or her, then I still have 4 left with me. So the result will simply be 4x squared. And lastly, number 7, here I hold 4r. That is minus 4r. Plus 20r means I have 20r. Here I'm also owing 12r altogether. So if I want to do the transaction, it's the same thing as I have 20r, and the total what I hold there is this 12 and this 4, making 16. That's minus 16r that I'm owing together. So if I have 20r and I take away 16r that I'm owing, so I will have left with me 4r, which is mine. I hope this is clear. So we can quickly take this as exercise. Evaluate. Number 1, 3g minus 9g. Number 2, minus 4h minus 3h plus h. Plus h means plus 1h. Number 3, minus 8u plus 15u. All right, thank you.